Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use truelancer. So first of all, truelancer is like people per hour, freelancer.com or even Upwork. It's a freelancing site that allows you to allows freelancers to basically get paid on freelancing website. So if you want to get to know more about truelancer and how to use it, you have right here a tutorial for freelancers to basically know how it's done. So after you log in, you can click find jobs on the top of the page. On this web page will appear. In the right side, you can add a filter according to the field that you want in the job. So this is an amazing feature to search for your skill, and then now you can click the job to view the job description. You're gonna see the length and the amount of money that they offer. Step 2, you can make sure that your proposal it's in the you make sure that you applied for this for this project, and then click send proposal button, and then proposal form opens up. Once you click on send proposal button, fill in the proposal details and the amount to in deposit. And what is the amount? It is the money down demanded for you by the competition of that project. Okay, so that's the amount that you demand from other freelancers. Okay, and you gotta see before you send the proposal, if you want your your application or your proposal to be featured, you're gonna be able to click the featured, and you're gonna be able to pay extra $1 to basically make your application get up there with other high competitors. All right, and after you send the proposal, you'll be taken to a project description page. Wait for a response from the employer. You'll be notified by an email notification if the employer contacts you or responds back or takes an action. Okay, basically once the employer contacts you, a work stream is created between you and the employer. If you're a pro member of work stream, a work stream is automatically created between you and your freelancer, and this is the work stream where you can discuss the project details with the employer before he or she accepts your proposal. You can chat, discuss the project, and update your employer. And basically, if the client finalizes to hire you and we want to change the amount, you need to follow these steps. Click on the withdraw proposal on the right side and then refresh page, and now you will get the new proposal at the bottom left of the work stream from here, and you can update your or change the amount. Okay, basically once you get to into the details and basically add your deadline for that project and all that, you're gonna be able to start a contract, or the employer will start a contract, and you need to accept that contract, and then you're gonna be able to basically finish the that job, and then you're gonna get your feedback. And once you have money on truelancer wallet, you can withdraw it to your bank account, PayPal account, or Pioneer account, or other payment withdrawal methods available at truelancer. So basically that's how you use truelancer for freelancing and contacting the employer and getting paid on truelancer website. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.